Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope everybody's doing good. I hope you're staying in, and I know you can't wait to go outside just like me. So if you guys are already subscribers, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning back in. If you're a new subscriber, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification button, and like and share this video. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video. It's my first unboxing video. I've been online shopping because there's nothing else to do, and I'm sure I'm not the only one. Everybody's shopping with the hopes to, you know, go back outside. So I recently got this Balenciaga shoes in the hopes that by September, which is my birthday, yeah, we'll be able to go outside. So I bought these shoes. They're super, you know, cute. I really love them, and they are going to be my birthday shoes. I don't like to buy stuff with you know, whenever I like spend or buy a designer thing, I want it to be like for an occasion. So yeah, these are gonna be my birthday shoes, okay, in September. But yeah, we're getting them now because yeah, there's nothing else to do and we're trying to be ready. So if you want to see these shoes, keep watching. So this is the box, what it looks like. It's there. I've kind of opened them already. And okay, I gotta put this down. These are the Balenciaga logo knife pumps. Look at these shoes. Look at these goddamn shoes. Like, look at them. It's a houndstooth print. I think that's how you say it. Yes, like these are so bomb. I just had to. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave me comments, give it a thumbs up, like and share this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.